I'ma put it in a bun. And I'ma put it in a bun, period. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to get into my lazy natural hair care routine. I don't know about you, but I'm not that type that's gonna have an extensive natural hair routine every night. I can't do it with my skin. I can't do it with my makeup. Like, I just can't. It's just not me. So if you want to see the real life of a natural hair girl, then keep on watching. All right, so this is how my hair is looking the first day. FLEXI rods. Let me show y'all the back. I don't know how the back is looking. No. You can kind of see, like, right here, my hair is reverting back to its texture. So in the front, my hair is it's loose. It ain't like the back. The back, she tight back there. So what I'm gonna do tonight is just put this section up. I'm actually going to part it in the back and bring this up to the front like this, because the hair in the front, it just gets more volume. Like, the volume be going crazy. So I'm just gonna go like this because I want the hair to be like boom tomorrow. But I know the back of my hair is just gonna be, ain't nothing gonna be there. Like, the front will still hold some curl, the back will not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these in two buns. I mean, not buns, but like in two little ponytails like that. And then I have some FLEXI rods here because I'm about to FLEXI rod the back of my hair. So I think I'm gonna just do 4 kind of big sections in the back. I've never really done this before, but you see how like that is already? It's not really doing nothing. So I'm gonna use some of my Live Body, take like 4 pumps of this, and then put this on the section. Comb it out a little bit. And then go ahead and FLEXI rod. So I kind of like do like a FLEXI twisting type of motion. Like, not FLEXI twist, but like a twisting motion. So I'm gonna go like that. In that part. And then I'm gonna make sure the end is like good. It ain't, you know, straight. And then just doo-doo. See, like, I had to redo it and make it perfect. So I finished it. Let me show y'all. Boom. So now I got my little, not my little, because this is actually a huge bonnet. You see that? And it's cheetah print. It's cute. This is like my cute bonnet. I need to get another one from them. I believe they're a Black owned business. They're called Glow by Day. So this is the bonnet I'm gonna be using. And I need another one. Like, I need to get another one, because they have some really cute bonnets and I can sleep comfortably, like with Gucci on that end. So this is how it looks. And then I'm actually gonna get the little string, because this is what, like, you can tighten it this way. So I'm gonna tighten it so it don't come off. So now this joint is tight up on my bean, all right? And I'm gonna see you guys in the morning time. So this is how my hair is looking. Yes, ma'am. This is a volume, okay, baby? I'm loving it. I'm digging it. Okay, today is like a super gloomy day, so I was like, let me just go ahead and do nothing to my hair. I'm gonna do some admin stuff. I was going to get like cute and do a bun, but it's gloomy outside. I'm not gonna get no good pictures that way, so therefore I would just waste makeup and nobody want to do that. So I'm gonna keep my hair in this bonnet all day, be in my PJs all day. Shout out to my girl Kiki for these PJs for my birthday. But yeah, some days, you know, I was gonna call this like how I maintain my hair in a week, but no, like this is like real life, true life of a lazy natural, period. Period. That's going to be the title of this video. True life of a lazy natural. If you do not remember what true life is, you're too young. Wow, true life. I did moisturize my hair yesterday. You guys saw that with this, and I used some of this too. So my hair right now, it feels good. Like it's not overly moisturized. It could definitely use some moisture tomorrow though. All right, so today is a chill day. Like I ain't doing too much to my hair at all. This is how it is looking. Very all over the place. Like you really can't see any curls, honestly. Curls where, babe? Curls where? Not hair. So get what I'm gonna do. Get what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it in a bun. And I'm gonna put it in a bun. Period. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. Period. Okay. What are you talking about? Bentley, not Bradley. Oh, Bentley, Bradley. Lordy Jesus. Anyway, so I am putting some water in my hair to just freshen up my curls and get them springing back to life a little bit. So I want to do like a messy bun though, like super cute. I'm gonna take this out because I think I want to do like a little curly Q. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do this one too. And I think I'm gonna just put like a little FLEXI rod on it. Okay, the curls are coming back to life. Look at that. That's only because I did those over. Let's go ahead and use this detangling brush to kind of sweep it all up. I'm holding the brush like this because I don't want it to detangle like and separate like that, because I don't have any control when it does that. So I'm doing it this way. Next up, we have to do some moisturizing. I'm gonna use the Melanin Twist Elongating Styling Cream. This didn't really work for me when I did twist. It was too moisturizing for my hair, but it's great for that, so that's what I'm using it for. I just want to moisturize my ends because it's going to be in a bun today and tomorrow. Lazy natural. That's me. You said lazy natural? Yeah, that's me. Now I'm gonna use this one. This is the hard side, this black part, and then this is the soft side, this other side. And I'm gonna like to use the hard side first and get my scrunchie ready, because right now I'm just like smoothing it all up, get out any detangles, make sure that elongating twisting cream is good up in there. It's not like white. I didn't even explain like what the Lottie Body was for, but the Lottie Body was for like bringing some curls back, like some definition back and stuff. I didn't really want that much because also my hair is fine. So if I have too much definition, sometimes it just doesn't look as like big, like a bun, because I do like a big bun. But right now I'm just putting my little scarf on because I need this to stay slick while I work on my bun, you know what I'm saying? So now I don't know how I'm gonna do my bun for real, honestly. I'm gonna just play around with it. But usually I like to just go like this, put some right here, put some over there, and kind of just like wrap and wrap until I get into like the shape that I want. I'm looking over here because I got a little mirror over there too. Okay, girl, I don't know what I just did, but I did some swooping and whooping and that's it. And then it came out like this, and it actually looks pretty decent, I ain't mad at it. So right now I'm just, you know, taking a little bit of edge control and going like this and just swooping and getting any like flyaways down, because I don't like flyaways. Pull some of the little curly pieces out. We don't want like, you know, the little straight pieces. We want the curly pieces out. Now I can put back on my scarf, and I'm gonna see you guys when I got some makeup on, because I'm about to do my makeup. Be this fast. I'm done for the day. I did my makeup, we're looking cute. I'm gonna take a picture and enjoy my Friday. So I'm trying to lick my gloss. Anyways, so I am done. Okay, this is the last hairstyle that y'all gonna see. This last thing I'm gonna do this week, cause guess what? I don't like doing nothing else. I don't wash my hair every week, like, or deep condition every week, or go through a whole little detangling process. Koopy, do we do that? For me, I feel like washing your hair every week isn't even like supposed to be a thing for naturals, because we want to keep moisture in our hair. And I feel like when you wash your hair, it strips away the moisture. And then also, I have color in my hair. Like, if I wash my hair every week, girl, it's gonna be pink, okay? I don't want it to be pink. So that's just why I don't wash my hair every week. I wash my hair maybe like every 3 weeks. Dirty? Maybe. I don't know. It don't smell dirty. It actually smells good. It's probably because all the products I've been using smell good to me. I found a better way to do this bun, but I didn't show you guys because I just wanted to come back on here and be like, this is the last hairstyle. I told y'all I was gonna do a bun again, and that's what I'm gonna do. I put some hairspray on it this time, and I put this Mielle little oil strengthening scalp and hair oil. It has split end care, so I put it on the actual bun, like I scrunched it into the bun, and then I put it on my actual hair so it can make it like shiny and stuff. And then that's it, that's all I did. But for my bun, what I did was I did like a half bun and like just pulled it up, so I wrapped it around twice essentially. Wish I showed y'all, but my bad. The other way is good too, it just takes a long time. But I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It kind of turned out not how I planned because I wanted to show you guys like and be a good example of a natural, but girl, I'm really not, I guess. I don't know. But if you like this video, you know what I'm saying, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, be a part of the gang. What else? Oh, follow me on the gram, follow my Coopy butt on the gram as well, Cooper Dior. And that is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.